Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are fine and safe. So in this video we are going to see the solution of chapter number 16 from section B, and we have already completed a solution of section A in the first part of this video. So let's begin with section B. So first question is, answer the following question as required, 2 marks each. Number 1, into how many parts have the Indian Meteorological Department divided the seasons of India, which are they? So answer, the Indian Meteorological Department has divided the season of India into four categories. Yes, 4 categories. Just make correction in the spelling of 4. It's FOUR. Then number 1 is winter, December to February. Then number 2, summer, March to May. Then number 3, advancing monsoon from June to September. And number 4, retreating monsoon season from October and November. Now number 2, Himalaya is the natural wall protecting India. How? So answer is, Himalaya protects India from serve cold by obstructing the chilling cold winds coming from Central Asia in winters. This way it is a natural wall protecting India on the northern boundary. Then number 3, into how many branches do the northwest monsoon wind splits in India? Which are they? So answer is, the south west monsoon winds split into 2 branches in India. Number 1, monsoon winds coming from the Arabian Sea, and number 2, monsoon winds coming from the Bay of Bengal. Now number 4, which region in India get rain due to the monsoon winds coming from Bay of Bengal? Answer is, the monsoon winds coming from the Bay of Bengal give rain to West Bengal, Meghalaya, Assam, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, etc. Now number 5, which factor affect the climate of India? Answer, the factor affecting the climate of India are latitude, distance from equator, distance from sea, altitude from sea, sea level, and atmospheric pressure and winds, etc. Now question number 6, explain the following terms. Number 1, weather. Now, point number 1, the condition of air temperature, air pressure, its velocity, humidity, clearness of the sky or the cloud amount, etc. are known as weather. Point number 2, weather conditions are changing. Sometimes the changes are faster, or sometimes a uniform condition is experienced for a longer time. Then number 2, atmosphere. So answer is, the atmosphere is the layer of gases surrounding a planet or other celestial body. These gases are found in layers defined by unique features such as temperature and pressure. Then number 3, snowfall. Point number 1, turning of the moisture in the atmosphere into snow due to extreme cold and its falling in the form of cotton is called snowfall. And point number 2, in India snowfall occur only in Himalayas in winter. Then number 4, windward slope of a mountain. So answer point number 1, the mountain slope which lie at right angle to the prevailing winds and obstruct them is known as windward slope. Point number 2, the western slope of the Western Ghats which prevent the southwest monsoon winds and the southern slope of Himalayas are windward slopes in India. Then number 5, leapward slope of a mountain. Point number 1, the slope which is on the reverse side of the windward slope is called leeward slope. Point number 2, with reference to the southwest monsoon winds, the eastern slope of Western Ghat and the northern slopes of Himalayas are leeward slopes. Then question number 6, rain shadow area. So your answer is, point number 1, the windward side of the mountain which obstruct the moisture laden winds gets heavy rain. Point number 2, as most of the humidity of these winds drops on the windward side of the mountain, it gives much less rain on the leeward side of the mountain. So the area towards the leeward side is known as rain shadow area. Now number 7, rain break. In the advancing monsoon season, the rainy days and non-rainy days occur alternatively. This phenomena is known as, or this phenomena is called rain break. Now number 8, October heat. Now the space was given very less, so I have attached October heat on the next page here. This is about October heat, and the twisted question could be, what is meant by Bhadarvi Tap? So let's read the answer. Point number 1. In India, the southwest monsoon winds stop advancing and their backward journey starts. Point number 2. So the sky becomes cloudless in October, but the soil is still damp. Number 3, the daytime temperature increased due to the clear sky and the condensation of the soil moisture becomes faster. This leads to the increase of humidity in air. Point number 4, thus in the later part of Bhadarva, the weather during the day is more perplexing due to high temperature and high amount of moisture. This condition is known as October heat or Bhadarvi Tap. So this was your answer. Next, you are given draw the figure of the earth and show the following latitudes. So you have to show Tropic of Cancer, equator, Tropic of Capricorn. This is North Pole and this is South Pole. So this is how you have to draw a figure of earth, and you have to show these 4 things on it. Now let's move to another section, section C. Section C is a map. Answer the following question as required, 3 mark each. Show the following details in the outline map of India at a proper location using appropriate sign or symbol. So I have mentioned all the things in the map. I have marked out everything in the map. So you are asked 4 questions and I have marked all 4 things. See, this is number 1, this is number 2, this is number 3, and this is number 4. Okay, these 2 places are number 4. So this was your map. You can also take a close view of this. Okay, let's move to another question. Question number 2 in the section C is, which changes occur in weather due to the increasing height from sea level? So point number 1, the temperature and the pressure of the atmosphere decrease as we go higher from sea level. Generally, the temperature decreases by 1 degree Celsius for every 165 meters or by 6.5 degrees Celsius for every 1000 meters. Point number 2, every layer of the air exerts pressure over the underlying layer. As we go higher, the air layer are less in number and thin, so the air pressure decreases. That is why the air remains cool in higher mountainous regions. For example, there is much heat in the plains of North Gujarat, while the hill station at Mount Abu, which is nearby, enjoys pleasant weather during summer. Number 3, altitude increases the rainfall. Very high peaks of Himalaya remain snow dead throughout the year. There is a spelling mistake, snow dead. Then as the damp air rises high and cools down, it gives rain. For example, in the mountainous region of Assam and Meghalaya, there is more rain with the increase in height. So this was the solution of chapter number 16. If you have any doubt, query or suggestion, let me know in the comment section. I will see you in the next video with a new chapter. Till then, bye bye, take care.